In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Sheets. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through key techniques to edit your spreadsheet effectively. First, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. You can do this by accessing your Google Drive, clicking on the New button, and selecting Google Sheets. If you're working on an existing document, just open it directly from your Drive. Once inside your spreadsheet, let's start by adjusting the column widths to fit your data better. Select all your cells by clicking the small square in the top left corner of your sheet, right beside column A and above row 1. This selects your entire spreadsheet and is a quick way to make universal changes. Next, place your mouse pointer between any two columns until the cursor changes to a double-sided arrow. This is your cue to click and drag. Adjust the width to either make it wider or narrower according to your needs. Understanding this step will make sure all your data is visible and not cut off, which is particularly useful for professional reports or presentations. Now, if you want more control and prefer adjusting columns individually, you can do that as well. Click on the letter of the column you want to adjust. A small hand icon will appear. Place your pointer between any two columns, and when you see your double-sided arrow, click and drag to adjust the width specifically for that column. This method is especially handy when you have different types of data in different columns. Moving on, let's talk about aligning your data. Proper alignment can significantly enhance the readability of your spreadsheet. Highlight the cells between F2 and F6 and then find the right align icon on your toolbar. Giving your cells a consistent alignment can make your data look more organized. Next, if you want to center align your data, click on column E to select it and then click the center align icon. This is particularly useful for column headers or titles to make your spreadsheet look tidy. Now, let's add some emphasis to certain data points by making them bold or italicized. Highlight the cells from A2 to A6 and click the bold icon on your toolbar. Making your text bold can help highlight important figures or headings, drawing attention where it's needed. Similarly, to italicize text, highlight cells C2 to C6 and click the italic icon on the toolbar. Italics can be useful for indicating subtext or references. And that's it. You now have the basic tools you need to edit your Google Sheets effectively. These steps will help you create clear and organized spreadsheets, whether for personal use or professional projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips make managing your Google Sheets a breeze.